to my channel. I'm excited today because we have a Sword and Shield era Silver Tempest for the first time. Let's open it. It has a official Nintendo seal. The first card we have is Radiant Arena. It has elegant heel and aroma shot. It has 140 HP and it is a basic card. Next we have Toxic Grow Up, which has HP 120. It has spears and diving uppercut. It is a stage 1 card. Next we have Sword and Shield Belt Trainer card. Next we have Passimian, which has 110 HP and throwing coach. It has throwing coach and fling. Next we have Medicham, which has 120 HP, Chakra Awakening and Vigorous Kick. It is a stage 1 card. Next we have Glalai, which has 130 HP. It has bite and big mouth. It is a stage 1 card. Next we have Durant, which has energy digging and bite, which has HP 120. It is a basic card. Next we have Honchcrow, which has triple draw and callow swing. It has 120 HP. It is a stage 1 card. Next we have Raihan, which is a trainer. Next we have Gardevoir, which has refinement and magical shot. It has 150 HP. It is a stage 2 card. Next we have Milotic. HP, it has 130 HP. It has water arrow and mellow wave. Next we have Hisuian Lilligant, which has swelling scent and spiral kick. It has 120 HP and it is a stage 1 card. Next we have Crobat, which has venomous fang and critical bite. It has 130 HP and it is a stage 2 card. Next we have Professor Burnett, which is a trainer. Next we have Zera Aurora, which has Battle Claw and Match Bolt. Which has I'm going to show the other half in the part 2 of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.